Greetings everyone and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Today we have a brand new species from Mattel, the JAKAPIL. Okay guys, so it is a brand new packaging. They don't have the epic evolution anymore, and of course they don't have Darius face here anymore, just the Chaos Theory logo now from now on. It is a danger pack. So it is a JAKAPIL. I've never heard of this before. I did some research last night. And it is actually just discovered back in 2012. So it is a newly found species. And I believe it's supposed to be smaller though, but Mattel made it a little bigger here and spikier. So little is known on this species that it is not sure if it's a ankylosaurid. It is known as a herbivore though. So we'll check the back. We have another Dimetrodon here. I believe this Dimetrodon is the one from the 2-pack from Epic Evolution that comes with the Velociraptor Blue that never came out. This could be it. And this is the JAKAPIL we have. And a new Sungaraptorus. And the Lophostropheus. We ordered this the other night. It should be coming tomorrow. I have this already, the Dimetrodon. Let me show it to you guys. It came today. Here's the new Dimetrodon. So this video will be some other time. Alright, so yeah, I believe I want 2 more of these, and also 2, but just 1 for the Sungaraptorus, and never mind for the Dimetrodon because there's so many variants already. So this is a new one, doesn't have a variant yet. Let's check the DNA scan for you guys. I think it doesn't work yet because I tried scanning it earlier. It still won't go. It's not updated yet. I tried updating, but it doesn't work yet. Okay, so let's open it up. Alright guys, I apologize, it's been a while, and I also want to say thank you for the non-stop support. Alright guys, let's bring up the compares to some previous ankylosaurids. So this too is actually from Primal Attack. This is a Minmi and a Sauropelta. This one has a green and yellow variant already. Okay, there's the DNA scans for these guys. Alright, so it is like a 2-legged ankylosaurid but bigger. So yeah, it's really nice. Spiky tail, spiky back. Look at, oh, it's soft. So the spikes are kind of soft here. This one too, the corner here. Pretty cool. Cool. I'm sure Walmart will have this in the next few days. I'm gonna get 2 more of these. Look at the neck and that. Nice spikes there. Look at that, huh? Oh, looks like they did that on purpose. A broken spike right there, huh? Mattel's really smart at this. To make it look better, see? Yeah. Broken spike right there, guys. The mouth does not open though. It doesn't open. It has a beak right there. Brown upper beak. And a pale lower beak. Has some nice scars going on there as well. Nice painted scars. They're right there in the back as well. Really cool. There as well. The lower tail has a scar. Can move the tail. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Has a neck up and down articulation right there. So yeah, it's a nice collection right here. Very nice. Alright guys. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Let's combine it. Oh. Nice. Really good stuff. This JAKAPIL. Okay. So there you have it for today, guys. I think I'm the first one that made a review of a JAKAPIL. I could be wrong, I could be right, but yeah. Okay, guys. That's pretty much it for today, and don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next few days again for the Lophostropheus. Okay, bye. Okay, guys. Have a good one now. Thank you.